Hello guys, welcome back and thanks as always for being here. I've got another comparison video for you between two of our preferred and better prop trading firms that are out there in the industry. This time we're going to take a look at the funded trader program and the prop trading. These are two prop firms that we've talked about on the channel already, but we're going to put them up against each other, compare them on some different topics to see how they stack up, if one of them would be a better fit for you. Let's dive in though. As always, be sure to stick around until the end. Like always, we've got discount codes for you for both of these prop trading firms, which you can utilize to make it a bit cheaper if you do dive in with one of these prop trading firms. That being said though, let's dive into the comparison. We're going to start with some general company details. The funded trader program, they're incorporated in May 2021, while the prop trading started operating in February 2020. So the incorporation difference between the two, a little bit more than a year. Regarding CEOs and who's running these prop firms, so the funded trader program is run by Angelo Chiaramello, while the prop trading CEO is Will Gomez. Both of these individuals are doing a really exceptional job running their representative prop firms. They're achieving a lot of success in a relatively short amount of time, so doing a great job there. When looking at office locations, we've got the funded trader program located in Liberty Hill, Texas, USA, while the prop trading has offices located in Brisbane, Australia, my home country. And just to finish this little part off, we'll end the topic with the maximum allocation of capital that obviously an individual can acquire from each of these prop firms. So the funded trader program, they allow traders to work with capital up to $1.5 million, while the prop trading, they cap the maximum allocation of capital at $500,000. After that though, you can scale your account balance by meeting specific objectives with no upside limitations. So you've really got a lot more to work with than is just there, but that is necessarily the maximum cap there, but then you can scale. So let's have a look at the next part, which is the funding programs that these prop firms offer. There are lots of different structures out there in the industry. You've got prop firms offering one-step evaluations, two-step evaluations, direct funding, and in some instances, assessment management, not as common. The funded trader program, they offer 3 funding programs that are all industry standard two-step evaluations with different trading objectives in each. The prop trading, on the other hand, they offer traders only one two-step evaluation funding program at the moment. Let's take a look at the trading objectives. Again, this is another one that we could go through all day. There's so many different aspects that we could, but we've just narrowed them down to the ones that we think are the most important rules and guidelines when choosing a prop trading firm or when having a look at how they stack up against each other. Just note that since both prop trading firms only share a two-step evaluation program, that's the one we're going to be comparing. So starting with the funded trader program and their funding programs, as I did previously mention, they offer 3. They've got the standard, rapid, and royal challenges. The standard challenge, it requires traders to gain a profit of 10% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2 without surpassing the 6% maximum daily and 12% maximum loss rules. The second funding program from the funded trader program is the rapid challenge. Now this one requires traders to gain a profit of 8% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2 without surpassing the 5% maximum daily and 8% maximum loss rules. The last of the funded trader program's funding program is the Royal Challenge that was recently introduced. Now this one requires traders to gain a profit of 8% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2 without surpassing the 5% maximum daily and 10% maximum loss rules. Note that you do have the following requirements for all 3 of the funded trader program's two-step challenges, which is a maximum trading period of 35 calendar days for phase 1 and 60 calendar days for phase 2, while being required to trade for a minimum of 5 calendar days in each phase. Only the rapid challenge has no minimum trading day requirements. And you should also consider that after becoming funded, you start earning 80% profit splits that can be scaled up to 90% after successfully scaling your account for the first time. Now, the prop trading's two-step funding program, it requires traders to gain a profit of 8% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2. So identical there to the rapid and the royal. Now, without surpassing the 5% maximum and 10% maximum loss rules, traders do have 30 calendar days to complete phase 1 and 60 calendar days to finish phase 2, while having no minimum trading day requirements. Now, if you successfully become funded with the prop trading, you are eligible for fixed 80% profit splits. So there's some parts of the trading objectives that are identical, some that are a little bit different. This is going to come down to personal preference and how you'd like to trade, but both are very realistic. Both prop firms have very realistic trading objectives in our opinion. Now, comparing the two-step evaluation programs and their prices, we can see that the prices are pretty close if we compare both prop firms. So both prop trading firms, they share the following account sizes, which is a $50,000, $100,000 and $200,000 account sizes. So let's just compare the prices between those ones. The Funded Trader program and their 50K funding program have the following prices. You've got $315 for the Standard Challenge, $299 for the Rapid Challenge, and $289 for the Royal Challenge, while their Prop Trading's 50K account costs $299. To continue with the 100K, we've got the Funded Trader program and their 100K Standard Challenge costing $549. The Rapid Challenge costs $499 and the Royal Challenge $489, while the Prop Trading's 100K account costs $499. And then just to end the last one, we've got the 200K account. So the Funded Trader program and their funding programs have the following prices. $949 for the Standard Challenge, $899 for the Rapid, and $939 for the Royal Challenge, while the Prop Trading's $200,000 account costs $949. So we can see that the Royal is the more cheapest of all the funding programs, then the Rapid, and then Prop Trading's evaluation funding program, and then the most expensive would be the Standard Challenge. So look, that you need to go into the websites and go into more depth about all of these different funding programs. Again, we're just covering what we feel are the most important things, but there's so much more you can go through to find out which one might be best for you. These prices though, as always, you can calculate these with the discount codes that we give to you, so they can be a little bit cheaper at the end as well. So that's a nice bonus of watching these videos. But evaluation prices, they're all fairly similar in my view anyway. Okay, let's have a look at the trading platforms. The Funded Trader program, they allow their traders to choose between 8cap and Purple Trading Seychelles as their broker, while the Prop Trading only has an option to trade with the broker's capital. However, when it comes to trading platforms, the Funded Trader program offers MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, but just keep in mind that MetaTrader 5 is an option only by trading with 8cap and not Purple Trading Seychelles. Not a big deal, but just worth keeping in mind. The Prop Trading, on the other hand, allows traders to only trade on MetaTrader 5. Again, that one's going to come down to personal preference. Now, both the Funded Trader program and the Prop Trading allow you to trade various trading instruments, which I love. Both prop firms allow traders to trade various Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and crypto. And in addition, you can also trade stocks if you are trading with the Prop Trading. So if you're just a stock trader, then the Funded Trader program is probably not your option. But if you are into trading various instruments, then you've got options with both of these prop firms. All right, now that we've gone through the trading platforms and the instruments that you can trade, let's cover the commissions that an individual would be charged while trading with each prop firm. We've got the Funded Trader program charging you $7 per round lot for trading Forex pairs, while there are no commissions for trading commodities, indices, and crypto. The Prop Trading, on the other hand, they don't charge you any commissions at all for trading any of the instruments that they allow individuals to trade. Commission free. How good's that? No one's complaining about free things, right? So take your pick there. I like that about the Prop Trading. It's quite rare. But then again, the Funded Trader program, you've got no commissions for a fair amount of those different trading instruments. Anyway, love what these guys are doing. And another really essential aspect when choosing a prop trading firm is the feedback from their community. Always gives you a good insight about the positives and negatives of the firm. That's why we always like to compare both prop firms' statistics, particularly on TRUSTPILOT. And if we're doing a deep dive into a prop firm, we always look at the community feedback. So at the time of recording, we had the Funded Trader program with a really great rating of 4.9 out of 5 from over 2,500 reviews. Prop Trading, they had a rating of 4.5 out of 5 out of nearly 800 reviews. Obviously, we've got a difference in the amount of reviews given the incorporation dates and the fact that the Funded Trader program has been around a little bit longer. But look, both of these guys we'd put into the category of leading prop firms out there in the industry. So they've got great scores all around. But do yourself a favor and go into depth and have a look on TrustPilot or get some more community feedback so you're not just taking our word for it. It's always very valuable to see. All right, we like to keep it short and sweet on our comparisons and just cover the most important things. But just to conclude and summarize a few things here, Look, the Funded Trader Program and the prop trading, they're definitely two of the industry leading prop firms. They offer very attractive conditions to traders located worldwide. The main difference is in the funding programs, as we went over. The Funded Trader Program, they obviously offer a chance to choose between 3 different 2-step evaluation programs, and the prop trading just offering that one industry standard 2-step evaluation program. And then another difference can be seen in the 2-step evaluation programs and their trading objectives that we compared, as well as their prices. They're all kind of similar, but with a few little differences. In terms of trading platforms, well, the Funded Trader Program, you can choose between 8cap and Purple Trading Seychelles, and trading between MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So you've got a little bit more options there. The prop trading, on the other hand, they only allow you to trade on with the broker's capital on MetaTrader 5. When looking at trading instruments, well, you basically can trade anything. And then the prop trading also gives you a chance to trade stocks, which the Funded Trader does not. Commissions, well, the Funded Trader Program, they charge you $7 per round lot for trading Forex pairs, but no commissions for any other instruments. And the prop trading, they don't charge you any commissions at all on any instruments. Love that. And then the community feedback, well, it was pretty much on par. We had 4.9 out of 5 and 4.5 out of 5 respectively, with a great number of reviews. So I think it's safe to say both of these prop firms have a lot of great community feedback, and therefore I think both prop firms belong in the industry leading prop firms category. What do you guys think? Please let us know in the comments if you've got firsthand experience, any feedback about these prop firms. We'd love to hear it. Otherwise, we appreciate you liking the video, subscribing if you haven't already. The discount codes for both of these prop firms I'm going to put in the description below, so make sure you get your hands on those if you're going to take a dive into one of these prop firms and do some trading. Make sure you don't pay full price when you can get a discount, and that's one of the benefits of watching our videos. So make sure you keep coming back. Thanks again, guys. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.